Right guys, it's been what, since Christmas, since my last video. It's Banks's car with my car, so just collected this now from Cam's Performance in Blackburn. Gonna be like a brand new car. Woohoo! Found my keys. So yeah, fancy that. Banks's and mine at same place, same time. So there's my car home. Happy days. I think I have to adjust and get used to these wheels and stuff. But it's one of them. And here's Eyeball. Must have smelt the camera. How do, pal?
Is that the GoPro you got cooking there, Scott?
Yeah, it is. And one of my friends from New Zealand, Vinny Ratton, he did a bit of photo shopping and on Facebook, and he coloured me quarter lights in orange. Now surely enough, Banksy, my deaf friend with the yellow tarpaulin, he got me them for Christmas, so we'll install them later. But basically at minute, these little like grommet clip things that hold your bumper to, I took my bumper off to clean behind it and polish all cross member thing up on front and just get it all nicely clean behind here again, and the screw heads just snapped clean off. So I ordered some of these crappy little things off eBay, and they're a lot smaller than what they look, but they do the job. I think they're just some 3D printed crap, but until I get some of them, these are better than cable ties. And it's the same principle, they just clip on back of your bumper and your wing. They don't get as good of a grab like, but then just wash a screw through there, ties it back together. So yeah, I'm just on with that at minute. But since my last video, I've had a car fully serviced. Brian Cowards took care of that at Cam's Performance in Blackburn. He's done all my timing belt, water pump, full service, dropped all the oils, fluids from everywhere, literally everything. So it's running like a champ, apart from MAF sensor's gone again. I blew another MAF sensor. So I'll have a new one of them here this week sometime. And also, you might notice my rims are different. Some Revolution Millenniums on here. And when I had it in for service, I was getting 4 new tyres put on it. And I'd smashed a pothole. Now I remember hitting this pothole, and I knew when I hit it, it would have done damage either to my suspension or wheels, because it bounced me up onto the curb. And I only hit it, I wasn't speeding or nothing, just doing normal road speed. It was dark and I didn't see this big thing. Anyway, having new tyres put on, and one of my alloys was warped and cracked in a pretty bad way. So I just bought some new wheels and tyres for it. Seemed like the easiest option. I don't fancy having my kids in the car on refurbed wheels. So I'll give you a look around the car in a minute and we'll see how it's looking. But for now, I'm just going to quickly change this over. I just thought I'd check in, see how you all are, let you know that I'm still alive, still have my car, etc. So yeah, I got them on. Still a little bit of a gap. So if anyone knows what these are called, because I didn't have a clue what to put into eBay to find these, if someone could let me know, they're the clips that hold the wing and the bumper together. These will do like as a temporary, but still a bit of a gap and I'm not too happy with them. I mean, like I say, they're better than cable ties. So anyway, let's check out the car. Had a good tea cut. Oh yeah, look at this. My daughter decided to open my door at Tesco onto one of the bollards. So yeah, not happy about that. Just a touch up I can do without. But now if you remember, I had the JR11 wheels on the 18s, and I personally prefer them. Not really into these, they still aren't grown on me. They have up front, but at the rear with that spoiler, I don't know. They're not really for me. I do like the look with them 18 JR11s, but can't have it both ways. math sensor, not the one that's on the car, it's another knackered one. I'm collecting them. Oh, but yeah, it was just basically a little update of where I'm at with the car. There's no different apart from the wheels and shit, but yeah, should hopefully be back at summer season, try and get to a couple of shows, mainly saving for holidays and stuff this year. Always doing shows and everything, and I don't know, it's hard to start spending some time with family and that. So, probably catch some of you guys around later in the year. So for now, just take care, drive safe, have fun with your cars. Thanks for watching the video. Do feel free to subscribe. I'll catch you all later.